So today we're going to create a brand new spreadsheet using the Google Sheets app. We are going to start off by creating a new folder to store our files. And I'm going to call this IT. And I need to go to my IT folder, New, Google Sheets, blank spreadsheet. Give your spreadsheet a name. I'm going to call my spreadsheet shopping bill. Here in row 1, column A, or A1, in cell A1, I'm going to type in the column headings. And I'm going to put in the items that I bought in my shopping bill. And I'm going to put in the quantities of each item. And a cost per item. Now I'm going to perform a calculation. I would like to calculate the cost per each item that I bought. So I'm going to use a formula to do this. And on my Google Sheets, to create a formula, we use an equal sign. We select the cells that we want to calculate with. So in this case here, I am multiplying cell B2 with cell C2. Google Sheets is quite clever. It recognizes that you might want to perform the same calculations for all the following cells. I'm going to ignore this so that I can show you the formula again. So equal and the same. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate the total. The total that I want to calculate, basically, I want to add up all of these values here. There are 5 of them altogether. The easy way to do this is to use a sum function, so that I can add more than 2 values in one go. And again, I'm using a cell reference as part of my calculation. So this formula will add the value starting in D2 all the way down to D6. Often we pay 20% VAT on our purchases. So I want to calculate what is 20% of £21.34. So I'm multiplying £21.34 with 0.2, and that is my VAT. So in total, the grand total is to add total and the values of the VAT to give us the grand total. Now, we might want to make this spreadsheet a little bit more interesting, or easier to read. To do that, we can shade this top row. We can bold the font. Same as down here, we could bold those fonts. We could also apply borders to these cells. Next things we want to do is to turn these monetary values into currency. So to do that, I'm going to highlight the cells that I want to turn into currency, format, number, currency. Okay. Google Sheets also recognize that these three values are also monetary values, so they've been turned into currencies as well. Now that we created a spreadsheet, we just want to go back to our folder from earlier to see where this file is. So here it is, it appears in your IT folder. So just going back to my drive, go to IT folder, and here is my spreadsheet. And that's it. Thank you for watching.